everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Today I have a 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. I've prepared on the back as usual with my tape and my push pins. And I'm going to do a sandwich pour today. And my colors are Artist Flow Acrylic White, Blick's Black, and today I am using Blick's Turquoise, Creative Inspirations Red, and what I've done is I've mixed that with Liquitex Basics Phthalo Blue and Amsterdam Permanent Green hue. And I've come up with this, almost looks like a wine color. And we'll go over the consistency. It leaves a little mound, but disappears pretty fast. And I am using DecoArt Metallic Crystal Green. And my last color is Amsterdam Prussian Blue. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use 3 cups. But before we start with the cups, let's put some silicone in. I'm only going to do 1 drop of the Mont Marte Silicone today. It's been really reactive with all my paintings so far. So hopefully just 1 drop in each color. But the white, I won't add it to the white. Now I'll give this a good stir, each color. Okay, and what I mean by sandwich pour is you use white at the beginning of your layers and at the end of your layers. And if you'd like to, you could add it more. Let's start out with white at the bottom. Then we'll go with the wine color. This is the crimson hue color. Go with a little bit of the turquoise. Let's go with some black. I'm not going to add a whole lot of black in here, just a little bit. I don't want it to take over. Let's go with the metallic green. I'm just pouring the paint on the side of the cup today. I'm not mixing it totally in. And last, let's do the Prussian blue. And I am going to do a layer of white. Try and cover up the whole top of it. Okay, we'll do the wine color next. The crimson hue. All of my paints today were mixed. 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol, or about 1.5 parts Floetrol. And then a squirt of GAC 800 added to each paint. Turquoise. Prussian blue. This Prussian blue is a very pretty color, very dark. Metallic green. And I'm going to end with the white. I'm not going to put any more black in there. Okay. Now we'll just flip these cups. Let them sit a few minutes, or not a few minutes, but a little bit here. And I'll just do a flip and drag on these. Okay. As you can see, that Mont Marte silicone is very, very reactive. I think I'm just going to drag my cup through here a little bit. Give it a little added color from below. There we go. Okay, we can start tipping now. Just try and go back and forth at first. Seems like I have a lot of paint on here. Okay, I'll tip this way. Try and keep my lines straight here. And bring it back just a little bit here. And back this way. Okay. Well, I have to say it has many cells in it again. I'm actually going to take my skewer and go through this a little bit. Change it up a little bit here. I don't really like the caterpillars, so if there's something I can do right at the beginning, change their composition, I will do it. Okay, I'll take a look at my corners here and the sides. Certainly is a very bright painting. And I will torch. A lot of that metallic green showed up. So pretty with the blue. There's the crimson in there. The turquoise. And just a little bit of the black here and there. That's what I like. I don't like it overpowering the painting. Just a little bit here and there. And the white coming through, it didn't overtake the painting either, which I'm very happy about. Okay, I'm going to clean the sides off here a little. And I will get you down for a close-up. I'm very happy with this. I just don't think I need to tip it or change anything about it. I like the composition, the straight lines, the colors, how they all came through. So let me get you down for a close-up. Okay, we have the upper left-hand corner. There's a lot of the turquoise in there, and here's some of that metallic green with the blue. Crazy cells. I like that. I like the crimson right there. So pretty. Go up the more the middle part here. The turquoise is peeking out there, along with that wine color. Just very happy with the way the lines and everything turned out. This up here reminds me of candy canes, the colors. Look at those cells. That cell is crazy, all the lines around it. And this is the lower right-hand corner here. Okay, everybody, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up and share. Subscribe if you haven't, and even if you have, resubscribe, because YouTube may have had some issues with subscribing. Some people may have gotten unsubscribed by mistake, so subscribe, that would be helpful. And give me a thumbs up and ring the bell so you know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, this is Deb saying, take care, everybody. Bye.